Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making 3 delicious vegan snacks: orange blueberry muffins, a simple banana boat, and cranberry almond energy balls. So the first thing we're going to make are the balls, so let's just jump right into it. So in a bowl you're going to put some oats, flax seeds, chia seeds, cinnamon, dark cocoa, dried cranberries, chopped almonds, some vanilla, and then syrup. Then you're going to add some peanut butter, and then you're just going to mix everything together until combined. Once that is fully combined, you're going to take them out by scoops and just roll them into balls. You're going to continue this process until you use up all the batter, of course. Yep, and once you're done, they'll look like this. Put them in a container and pop them in the fridge for at least 3 hours before you eat them. And there you have it, cranberry almond energy balls. And these taste so delicious, I promise. Next, we're going to get into the simple banana boat that will take you less than a minute to make. So we're just going to start with a banana. You don't have to be like me, but I'm extra, so I cut it as if I was grilling a sausage. Then we're going to put some melted peanut butter. Then we're going to drop some flax seeds, some syrup. Then we're going to make it rain cranberries. Make it snow cashews. And then we're just going to top it off with some cinnamon dust. And that's it. Simple banana boat that you can make in 1 minute and eat any time of the day. Now we're going to make my favorites, orange blueberry muffins. So in a bowl, you're going to put some flour, brown sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. Then you're just going to mix the dry ingredients together. Then adding the wet ingredients, you're going to add some milk, oil, vanilla, and juice of an orange, half of an orange. You're just going to squeeze all that juice in there as much as possible. And then you also want to take out the orange meat. So I used a fork to make it easier. And then just add that to the batter. You're going to add in some blueberries and then just mix everything around until combined. Then I went ahead and added some more orange juice on top of that. And then you're going to mix it until it gets to like a medium thick consistency. Then put them in the muffin tins, and I added some orange zest on top. Bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes on 350. And then they should come out looking like these beauties right here. Look at those. Oh my gosh. These didn't even last a day in my house. So trust me, these are so good. And as a snack, I usually just take a muffin and I just add some vegan butter to it. And that's it. And look how soft. Oh my gosh, look how soft these muffins are. Look at the blueberries. It is so yummy. And that's it. 3 easy and delicious vegan snacks you can make any time of the day. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys next time.